Namaskar friends, I Puram Dogra on behalf of Wechitra Enterprises welcome you all and hope you all are doing very well. Now friends, in our last video we have covered power factor and we discussed what is a power factor, what are the benefits of a higher or a good power factor, and we also discussed what is leading power factor, what is lagging power factor, and in that video we covered what is the value we should maintain according to Indian government norms. Value of power factor we should maintain. Now if you haven't gone through that video, I'll drop the link in the I button. You can go through that video. Now in this video we are going to cover how penalty and rebate is being given to the consumers by your discom distributing company of your state, of your area, how this is being given, how this is indicated in your electricity bills, and we will cover some of the electricity bills of different state of India. Now friends, here you can see this is an electricity bill of Gujarat state in India, and these are the complete details regarding the electricity used by the consumer. So this premises was a factory, and will not go in deep in other details. We'll just check what is the average power factor maintained by this consumer and what are their penalty and rebate given on different values of power factor. So this is the first bill of this location, and here we can see average power factor is 0.992 for that month. So 0.992 is a good power factor, and for this value uh, rebate will be given to the consumer, as this is a good power factor maintained for this month. So we'll check what is the rebate. Here you can see calculation of charges. Now in calculation of charges, there are two types of electricity charges. Two types in the sense, first one is fixed charge, which is being imposed on the contracted load or contract demand, sanction load we also say, sanction load by the consumer. And second one is energy charges. Energy charges are the charges which are imposed for the units this consumer has consumed for that month. So 18,587 were the units, and 4 rupees per unit is the charge. So 74,348 is the complete energy charges, and this one 46,303, this is their fixed demand charges. And here you see power factor rebate, which is 2% minus of 2.10%, and this percent will be taken on your energy charges. So 2.1% of 74,348 is minus 1561.31. So power factor rebate or penalty is charged on your energy charges, your unit consumed for that month. So here you can see minus sign. So this amount will be deducted from the whole energy from the whole charges for that month. So here you have seen a rebate given to the customer. Now again we'll see another bill where penalty is being imposed. So now again this is a bill of the same location, and here you can see power factor. power factor of 0.613. This is the power factor. Average power factor is 0.613, which is a low power factor. And again, in charges, calculation of charges, we'll see power factor rebate. Here, rebate is given, but you can see the amount and percentage is in positive. So this will be added in the total electricity bill. So here you can see 52.4%. This much percentage of penalty is being imposed to this consumer for maintaining a low power factor of that month. So again, this percentage is of your energy charges. 48764 is the energy charge. So 52.4% of 48764 is 25,552.34. So 25,500 of rupees is penalty on this consumer for that month. So this is a higher value, or you can say 25,000 of rupees is just penalty. So to avoid this penalty, it is recommended to use a capacitor bank with your LT panel so that this power factor, your lower power factor, can be increased, and you can avoid this penalty. And also using a capacitor bank will decrease your MDI, maximum demand. Okay, now we'll see another bill of another state. Now this is a bill of Madhya Pradesh. So every state have different structure, different tariff structure. Your energy charges will be different, your fixed charges will be different. That's why we are seeing two different bills. Now here you can see average power factor, which is 0.58. This is very low. So friends, can you tell me what is the minimum value we should maintain according to Indian government norms? I have already told this in my previous video, so you can check that video. So here, for this low power factor surcharge is imposed on this consumer. So this is again a factory, and here you can see 112537.5. This is again energy charges, or we can say the charges for the units, electricity units this consumer has consumed, not on fixed charges, into 35%. So this 35 here penalty is 35%, which will come around 39,388, 39,388.13. So which is again a heavy penalty to be paid. So we'll see another bill for debate of the same location. And now you can see here average power factor is 0.96 for that month. And this consumer have not installed capacitor bank. So this power factor is fluctuating according to the electricity coming to their premises. And for this power factor, a power factor incentive is given, and again 8 82,045, 82,045. This is energy charges, and on that energy charges, 2% of incentive for power factor is given. So here you can see a minus sign, and 1640 rupees is incentive for that month to this customer. And this incentive, as we can see this minus sign here, so this incentive will be deducted from the total electricity charges, total bill. So this is a benefit of maintaining a higher power factor. And you have seen already that what are the losses for not maintaining a higher power factor. And with this, not only just in economical terms or in commercial terms, also your MDI, maximum demand, will decrease, and the load current will decrease, and your load connected load will perform perfectly. So it is recommended to have a good power factor. And friends, if you are checking this in your residential electricity bill, so it is not given to the residential consumer, it is mainly given to the commercial and industrial consumers. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. So please comment your reviews, your suggestions, your queries in the comment section below. And finally, it's time to say thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.